In this video, I'm going to show you how to install Windows 11 on a brand new PC using a USB flash drive and MSI BIOS. This guide is perfect if you just built a new computer or you're installing Windows on a new SSD. I'll walk you through the entire process step by step, from creating the bootable USB to completing the Windows setup. To get started, you'll need just a few things. You're going to need a working PC with internet access and a USB flash drive with at least 8 gigabytes of storage. Once you have those ready, head over to Microsoft.com and download the Windows 11 installation media. On the download page, select Windows 11. You'll see 3 different options, and the one we want is the second option, Create Windows 11 Installation Media. Click Download Now, and this will download the Windows Media Creation tool, which allows us to create a bootable Windows 11 USB. Once the download finishes, plug in your USB flash drive and run the Media Creation tool. Accept the software license terms, then choose your preferred language. You don't need to worry about the Windows edition because the only option here is Windows 11. Next, choose the type of media you want to create and select USB flash drive. You'll see a reminder that the USB needs to be at least 8 gigabytes. After that, the tool will show you a list of USB drives connected to your system. Select the correct one. Keep in mind, this is the point of no return. Everything on that USB drive will be erased, so make sure anything important is backed up before clicking Next. The tool will now download Windows 11 and create your installation media. This can take a few minutes, and you can continue using your PC while it works. When it's finished, click Finish, and your bootable Windows 11 USB is ready. Before installing Windows, it's best practice to have only the drive you plan to install Windows on connected to your PC. This helps prevent Windows from installing the bootloader on the wrong drive and avoids accidentally wiping data on another drive. Now take the USB flash drive you just created and plug it into your new PC. Turn the system on, and if everything is set correctly, it should boot straight into the Windows setup screen. If it doesn't, restart the PC and repeatedly press the Delete key during startup to enter the MSI BIOS. Inside MSI BIOS, navigate to the Boot menu and set your USB flash drive as the first boot option. If your motherboard supports boot override, you can simply select the USB drive from there. Save your changes by pressing F10, then restart the system. You'll now see the Windows 11 setup screen. Choose your language, time and currency format, and keyboard layout. Click Next, then select Install Now. When prompted for a product key, you can enter one if you have it, or click I don't have a product key and activate Windows later. Next, choose the Windows 11 edition you want to install. Most users will be perfectly fine with Windows 11 Home. Just make sure the edition you select matches the product key you plan to use later. Accept the license terms, then choose the installation type. Since this is a new PC, select Custom Install. Now you'll be asked where to install Windows. If you have multiple drives connected, be very careful to select the correct one, as this step will erase all data on the selected drive. If only one drive is connected, this screen will be simple. Select the drive with unallocated space and continue. Windows will now begin installing. The system will restart several times during this process, which is completely normal. Just let it run. Once installation is complete, you'll be guided through the final setup, including selecting your country, keyboard layout, and connecting to the internet. If your system doesn't connect to the internet automatically, you may need to install a network driver first. After connecting, sign in with your Microsoft account, review your privacy settings, and skip any optional setup steps if you prefer. Windows will perform a final update check, and once that's done, you'll arrive at your brand new Windows 11 desktop. If you made it this far, congratulations, you successfully installed Windows 11 on your new PC. Activate Windows 11. If Windows isn't activated yet, open the Start menu, type Activate, and open Activation Settings. From here, you can enter your product key if it isn't already linked to your Microsoft account. Reconnecting other drives.
If you disconnected other drives during installation, shut down your PC and reconnect them. If the drives are new, open Disk Management from the Start menu. Any drive showing as unallocated will need to be initialized. Right-click it, select New Simple Volume, choose a drive letter, and follow the prompts to finish setup. And that's it. Everything should now be fully set up and working. Before you go, one quick tip. When you're downloading operating systems, managing accounts, or working on a new PC, especially on public or shared networks, your data can be exposed. That's why I recommend using NordVPN. It encrypts your internet connection, hides your IP address, and helps keep your activity private while you're downloading files, signing into accounts, or setting up your system. If you want a simple way to stay secure online, check out the NordVPN link in the description below.